Top 5 Best Running Machines. Name bar 5. NordicTrack X22i. The NordicTrack X22i treadmill doesn't do anything by halves, and that's why we love it. Why have a few preset programs when you can have thousands of engaging on-demand workouts? Who wants a 7-in display when you can have a cinematic 22in HD touchscreen? And why stop at a 15% incline when you can hike up a daunting 40% slope? Out of all the treadmills we tested, this was by far our favorite. It doesn't just stand out because of its go hard or go home approach to innovative features either. It's also a brilliant running machine in its own right. We appreciated the reflex cushioning built into the belt, which ensured our joints didn't bear the brunt of lengthy runs, and the powerful 4 chp, continuous horsepower, motor works impressively quietly to deliver a top speed of 12 miles per hour. Now, at some point we do have to address the elephant in the room. At over 70in long and almost 40in wide, name bar 4. Echelon Stride. At $1,299, the Echelon Stride isn't exactly cheap, but it's by far our favorite when it comes to balancing a good set of features with a mid-range price tag. It's the ultimate space-savvy machine, with a compact running belt and fully foldable design ideal for storing under a bed or behind a sofa. And it seems the saying "good things come in small packages" rings true, with the Tread delivering an impressive performance on test, in spite of its diminutive dimensions. It offers speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and incline settings as high as 10%. We found the base felt sturdy and secure, with only slight wobbling at the highest paces and gradients, and though it only has a 1.75 horsepower motor, the belt moved smoothly with no juddering underfoot. Name bar 3. Peloton Tread. The Peloton Tread is a sleek and well-made treadmill that offers a satisfying running experience for all fitness abilities. It comes in Peloton's signature black and red colors and has a striking minimalist design. During testing, we particularly liked the machine's fuss-free touchscreen, which is easy to navigate. Speed and incline dials are positioned on the handrails, so there is really very little to distract you from that shiny display. Name bar 2. ProForm Pro 9000 Treadmill. ProForm has taken a minimalist approach to design with the ProForm Pro 9000. Using a black and silver palette that gives the Tread a slick and subtle look. There's nothing subtle about the size or price tag of this model though, so you'll need some cash and space to house it. The 9000 comes complete with inbuilt dual speakers. Name bar 1. Lifespan TR3000i Folding Treadmill. The Lifespan Fitness Treadmill TR3000i has everything a traditional treadmill should. We found it benefits from a stable, cushioned running deck, a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and incline settings up to 15%. Yet, with the multitude of mod cons crammed into newer running machines, its traditional approach struggles to keep pace with its smarter competitors. The 7iN touchscreen feels tiny and, while it's fairly responsive, the display is a bit grainy.